Hello, this is Curtis. How are you? So today I want to give a review of Partnering with Anthony 2019. It's a great affiliate program. I've been marketing for about 15 years, and this is by far the easiest program that I've ever been a part of. Once you go in and look at this program, you will see that this program has everything you need to be successful, from funnels to autoresponders, how to set up your autoresponder, how to set up your funnels, how to market your business, how to drive traffic, how to market on social media. And it also has plenty of packages for you to sell as well to make an income. And this would be residual income that you would get every single month. Um, what I like about this program is that all the training comes one day at a time. So that way you don't get too bogged down with so many things that you're learning. Also, once you do step one, you go to step two. You do step two, you go to step three. And before you know it, you'll have leads, you'll have people joining your business opportunity, your affiliate marketing programs, and you'll be making money. So again, partnering with Anthony is probably the best business right now in 2019. So if you want to take a look at it, just look down at the bottom, click the link, and go check out the site. Make sure you like this video, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you.